So we've got a new member of the pod. I'm not sure where he's gonna go. Hello! So this is our week 3 roundup. It's Saturday at the moment. There's normally a little bit of overlap between our different roundups for each week. So we've done a couple of walks yesterday. We actually did this walk yesterday. This is Ness of Hillswick, but the weather wasn't as good, so we're doing it again because it's 17 degrees. Could you believe?
I don't know if it's actually 17. It just doesn't feel that.
No, we're hoping that it is actually 17 degrees. So we've been for a couple of walks. We haven't had any sightings yet this week, so we're just going to hope something turns up. It's just nice to be out in shorts and t-shirts and just making the most of it.
It's a lot warmer when you haven't got the wind blowing in your face on the edge of the cliff.
It is, it feels so warm.
It didn't a minute ago.
No. We've made it to the lighthouse.
Second day in a row.
Yay! Now we've got the long walk back. We're going for a walk at Mavis Grind in the hope of seeing some otters. It's still such a lovely day. We've already been round the Ness of Hillswick today.
And we've been around Stennis as well.
And Stennis this morning, Eshness to Stennis. So we're really tired, but we're going to have a little wander in the sun and hopefully see some otters. We've just done a shop at Tesco and we've just got a new bag.
I think it suits us.
I think it does.
Another orca themed thing that we own.
It's Monday, and yesterday when we were having tea we actually saw an otter. It was in the sea to start with and we went over to the beach and then it just scuttled straight past us.
Like our 4th otter of the trip now, I think.
Yeah, and completely not trying to find them either.
We went for a walk up Mavis Grind the other night trying to find them, but we didn't, and then yet again we're just doing our own thing and then one runs right past us.
Yeah, it was so cute.
So it's Monday afternoon, and because it's still quite sunny we decided to come for a walk over at Stniniansisle again. So this is where we saw the bull on day 2 of our trip, so it'd be nice if we saw him again.
Yeah, that would be nice. People must think we're mad because we're walking around in shorts and t-shirts and they're walking around in like full-on waterproofs with hats and gloves and scarves. But to us this feels really warm. Maybe it's because we've been living outside for like 3 weeks.
3 years.
Maybe, yeah, 3 years. Yay! Oh, probably don't want to touch it.
We made it.
Yay!
Just come for a walk after St Ninians to Scoosborough. We've just found our seal friends again.
It's £2.05. It's Tuesday and we've come for another walk.
Another big walk.
Another big walk. This time we've got loads of snacks.
I wouldn't say loads, we've got a couple.
Well, yesterday there was a sighting of 2 or possibly more orca off this point. We're walking to Fethaland. Oh, Bless you.
There goes the bird flu.
Oh no, it's probably hay fever. That's always hay fever. So there was orca actually recorded off this point. So we're making the long walk to Fethaland. Hopefully get over to the lighthouse if we can.
Looks stunning from where we are at the moment.
It's absolutely stunning. Let's have a look. It's just amazing. Although I think the walk back is going to be quite hard because we've just walked a lot of downhill. So although I think we're a little bit late to see the orca that were here yesterday, you never know, they might be hanging around.
Hopefully they're right in the bay feeding, so
yeah,
it'd be amazing to see them in these little bays that we can see just in front of us.
Definitely.
You never know, maybe they'll be hanging around.
Yeah.
It's worth a shot anyway.
It's worth a shot. It's very windy up here. Don't know if you'll be able to hear us at all, but it's so windy. It's Wednesday and we're at Sandness in the hope of trying to spot some orca. So we've had quite a good week this week. We've met up with Mandy, our really good friend, and we've also met up with two new friends as well, Kenny and Louise.
Yeah, we're trying to help them find their first orca as well, so hopefully
fingers
they
crossed.
get their bums over here. We can see that it's the 27s pod. They're over on Papa Stour at the moment, so hopefully they come back around this way.
Yeah.
But yeah,
We really want them to see their first orca, and we really want to be there. So today's Thursday, and unfortunately last night we didn't have any luck with the orca. We did see an otter fishing. I got some really shaky video, so we can pop that in to show you. But yeah, unfortunately Kenny and Louise didn't get to see their orca yesterday, but we're hoping that this next week will bring some more orca for them so we get to see some. So we'll see you next week.